Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy Rick, aka Iconic, back with another video. As you can see from the screen in front of you, this is a 50K account. Needless to say, my 20K account that I had, I actually did not pass that challenge. A lot of things happened in my life throughout the last few months, from me quitting my job to becoming a full-time Uber/Lyft driver. That way I can get some things taken care of. So again, these are just the things that's going on right now. So this account I purchased back on Friday. As you can see, I have not taken any trades. It's still 50K. Profit target is 4,000 for the first phase. And I think I actually have some stuff written down here. So the daily drawdown, the max daily drawdown I can have is 2,500. Overall drawdown on the account is $6,000. For evaluation phase one, the target is 4,000, and then for phase two, we're looking at 2,500, which is 5%. All right. So I've already set up my MT4 account here, and I am looking at the US 30 right now. Right now, the market, this is based on the H1 chart just now, so I'm going to the H4 right now to see what I can see. Just looking at this, okay, we can see that this was a minor uptrend. Okay, just going by this reaction here. Okay. All right, so we have a series of swing highs and swing low. The market came up, made a nice little swing here, pull back, another high, higher low, market made another high, and I guess we can go to this higher and say the market made a higher low, and then all the way up, then the market pulled back. Okay, so what we're looking at right now, the market seems to have broken this structure here, which is telling me that we may have some downside move. So right now what I'm looking for is just to see if we can get either a break below this level here, okay, for possibly short entry. Let's mark that out. Or if I can get something in here, would be a better trade, right? So right now for the US 30, I'm just looking at short trades. The market is not really doing anything right now. Again, it is early Monday morning. Right now it is 1:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Florida. So roughly around possibly 3 a.m. or so, we might get some movement, but the biggest move is probably going to happen somewhere about 6:15 a.m. By that time, I'll be out of my house. I'll be driving, trying to get that, get the dollars. All right. So again, this is the US 30. This is the only thing that I'm looking at right now. I have not looked at anything else yet. I've just been busy trying to set up the charts. But while I'm here, I guess I can look at some potential moves. This one here, we have XAG USD, which is silver. The spread on silver is pretty high. If you can look here to my top left where you see my mouse hovering around, for 1 pip we have a 2 pip spread. I'm sorry, 1 lot, 2 pip spread, and it's $100, so that's $50 per pip, right, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have gold. We have 1 lot. Spread right now looks like 15 pips, so that's $15 if I was supposed to take take a 1 lot entry right now. Nasdaq 100, this is about 2 pips per spread, or 2.1, and then the US 30, kind of like the same thing for the US 30. 1 lot is going to give me every pip that goes against me right now, it's about $3.60. So again, for US 30, I'm looking at only short trades, possibly pull back into this level here, or breaking continuation, okay, below this level here. All right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pause the video, and if the market comes into my zone, okay, or get a break below this level that we have here, I'm going to look for some potential short entries. So let me put a fib on this real quick. Okay. for my profit target, I'm gonna be looking for somewhere down here. Okay, let's get this together. Let's make this a, okay, get a thicker line. So that's what I'm looking for, profit target on this trade. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video. Again, so okay, let's jump back to the account here. 50K account, like I said, let's Control T, go to trade. As you can see, lower left, we got a 50K account, no trade yet. Let's look at the account history, nothing, as you can see. Okay, so this is my Forex funds challenge. They use a broker called Traders Global, and the account number is 117181. And let's make sure that line up over here. We have account number 117181. No other accounts in here. Looks like they changed up the back office. Obviously they did, because the last few accounts that I had, it looks nothing like this. So this is pretty new. Well, so far it looks pretty good, but I don't really care about the look. I just care about whether or not I pass this shit. All right, so let's just jump back real quick to the charts. Okay, here we go. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm actually gonna place a sell stop, and then I'm gonna go get some sleep. I do have a scheduled pickup for someone this morning going down to Miami Airport. So again, I did quit my job. I did give them 7 months of my time, and it just wasn't working out for me. Good company to work for, but the pay sucked. And then again, I don't like working for people. Fuck that shit. But whatever. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place a a sell stop below price, and I'm gonna wait for it to either take me in. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on. Okay, I'm sorry, let's do this over. Let's close this out. Trading, sell stop. Oh, let's agree to some terms, and let's try that shit again. Trading, sell stop. Okay, sell stop right there. All right, so that's going to be one lot, and then we are going to do our stop order. I'm going to put that right here. Stop loss. Okay. And then our take profit is going to be somewhere in here. Take profit. All right. Let's delete these lines. Let's see what I'm risking here. It's $288 to make $1,000 plus, right? So what's gonna happen now is the market either gonna obviously, one area of concern that I actually had was this little area right here, because as you can see, the market kind of dipped into it, pulled back, and went up strong. All right, so neither here nor there. I'm looking for a break below this level and all the way back down to my take profit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video real quick, and I will see you guys in the next few hours. Hopefully I can, maybe I'll get a quick drop, and then maybe I'll be able to add another lot to it. So right now I'm just trading, one, I guess, one standard based on my Forex funds. All right, so I will be back. So again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. What's up, gang? It's your boy Rick back with a update on the first trade of the 50K account challenge. So as you can see, the market did take me in. Right now we're getting a little bit of pullback. So I'm just gonna wait for the market to either hit my take profit or completely take me out, because I've already moved the stop to break even. So right now I'm up about 269.40. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video again, and I'm gonna come back a little bit later today to see where we're at. All right, what's up, gang? I'm back. It's currently 6:57 p.m. I actually got stopped out of this trade. As you can see here at the bottom left, the equity right now / balance is $49,910.80. Reason being, I end up adding a second position, which the market went against me. I lost about 138 on the second one, and then made a little bit of profit on the first trade. So I mean, technically I'm down $80+, right? So I'm still looking at a possibly short entry on USD. I'm sorry, US 30. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short, and then I'm gonna do some analysis, and then I'll hit you guys back with another video. So again, this is Rick, aka Iconic. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, thumbs up, do whatever you need to do, smash the button, kick the button, however you do it. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way we can grow and watch me pass this 50K challenge, guaranteed.